Hello guys, I'm Yasir and today in this tutorial we will talk about hydraulic system. So talking about the heavy equipment used in oil and gas industry that is coiled tubing, fluid pump, nitrogen unit. There are three systems which are installed no matter which equipment we are talking about, and these three systems are used for the transmission of power from the source to the ultimate component which we have to provide the power. So there are three systems which are used for the power transmission. These systems are electric system, pneumatic system and hydraulic system. Today in this particular tutorial we will talk about hydraulic system, and the other two systems we'll discuss separately. Okay, so now we can define the hydraulic system as a system which is composed of hydraulic oil, hoses, pumps, strainers, and is used to transmit the power from the power source to the ultimate component which we need to drive is called hydraulic system. So simply we can say a system which is composed of hydraulic oil, hydraulic hoses, hydraulic pumps, hydraulic motors, okay, and ultimately it is transmitting the power from the source to the ultimate component which need to be drive is called hydraulic system. To make our understanding further clear, let's try to understand the hydraulic system installed in a coiled tubing, and with that we'll build our understanding about hydraulic system. So here in this picture, as you can see, we have on the top left corner the engine, okay, then we have the hydraulic pumps, and in number 3 picture we have hoses and valves, and number 4 picture is the same picture which is showing the hydraulic pumps. So this system actually in this coiled tubing system, and the power is produced by the diesel engine. Then this power is transmitted from the engine to the ultimate component, that is to operate the BOP, to operate the coiled tubing reel, to operate the coiled tubing injector head. This power is transmitted to these components with the help of a system called hydraulic system, which is composed of hydraulic pumps, hydraulic hoses, strainers, relief valves, etc. And talking about the components of hydraulic system, here we can see the main components of hydraulic system are hydraulic fluid reservoir, filters and strainers, hydraulic pumps, control valves, heat exchangers, accumulators, hydraulic hose panels, hydraulic control panel. Okay, so this was a basic discussion about hydraulic system. We will continue to understand about hydraulic system by step, and we will discuss each component one by one, and we will build our understanding about hydraulic system.